Welcome. If you want to stay on top of your growing community, enabling notifications for new followers on X, formerly known as Twitter, is a must. With the latest update, the process is simple and quick, right from your PC. Here's how you can make sure you never miss a new follower. First, open your browser and head over to X. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Find the icon labeled More and give it a click. This will expand a list of options for you to explore. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize your account experience. Inside the Settings window, look for the Notifications tab and click on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from X. Now, go ahead and enter the Preferences section within Notifications. Here, you'll see a variety of ways to tailor your notifications. What you're looking for is push notifications. Click on it to reveal more detailed options. In the Push Notifications menu, scroll until you find the option labeled New Followers. Make sure to check the box next to it. This setting ensures that every time someone new follows you, you'll receive a notification right away. Once you've checked the box, don't forget the final step, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. This will lock in your preferences and activate new follower notifications for your account. And that's it. You're all set. From now on, every time you gain a new follower, you'll get an instant alert, helping you stay connected and engaged with your audience as it grows. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy building your community on X with confidence and ease.